I gotta find something else to brace this door. Hopefully that chair will brace it enough. Shifting again. Looks like the chair's holding. Jesus Christ.
From Marco Island at the present time. Okay, we have We have Melissa Painter joining us here at Fort Myers with some new information. Melissa, what do you have for us?
Well, I don't know about new information. We're outside right here in Fort Myers off of Fowler Avenue. We were out here about an hour ago, and it wasn't that bad. And obviously now conditions have greatly worsened. You can see over here, there's an awning that has been completely ripped off of a car dealership, and these trees look like they're bending over in half almost. I don't know what kind of gust of winds we're getting here, guys, but it is taking me off my feet, and I am not a small girl. Certainly the rain is picking up, and it's just coming at us in all directions. Really, it is really kind of boggling my mind how quickly things have gone back here. Again, we were out here an hour ago, and it was just raining a little bit. Not really a big deal here, but now you can certainly see that this is causing a lot of problems. Now, again, we're here in Fort Myers off of Fowler Avenue. Do you have any measurements on the wind gust out here?
80-mile-per-hour gusts from our sensors here, and while you're talking, I want our control room to take the camera that's on that very tower right there. The camera's shooting our radar tower. Our instruments are on top of that. We have a live camera that's still getting a picture up there, and you should see the way it's bouncing up and down, looking down on Fowler Avenue. This tower camera is continuing to verify that these 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts really are raking. I'm certain to the point that it would flood homes, but it could be a few feet of
Water's as high as the shed.
Monitor the progress of that as well.
Never seen it that high.
Residents right now, it's kind of an obvious question, but I'd ask you to.
Our poor roses.
A few minutes ago, you do not want to be on the road or be outside of your home during this. This is definitely a very dangerous storm. When you get storm gusts over 70 miles an hour, people can get seriously injured and hurt by falling trees and other debris that's falling around. So please remain indoors. We'll be going away in 2 or 3 hours. We can start reassessing at that time, but please stay inside and hope for the best. I certainly hope that everyone stays safe too. Thank you, Mayor Franklin, from Cape Coral. Again, as the mayor pointed out, this is probably the most dangerous part of the storm, at least for Lee County anyway, and you need to remain indoors for the next couple of hours until we can get this moving on out of here. And as Jim was asking, the surge situation, the tidal situation, is going to come up a bit. 2 foot of water over the seawall of Naples. Not surprising, the onshore winds are going to push a little bit of the Gulf toward us, and we're going to see a rise in some overwash on some water. Again, Jim, these pictures from our tower camera, first of all, I'm amazed the thing's still working. Well, give it another 5 minutes or so. But this is the rain coming down horizontally, and the wind has now gusted over 80 miles per hour several times in Fort Myers. From our sensor here at ABC2, an 82-mile-per-hour wind gust just a few minutes ago. We should mention that the camera's up about 150 meters, so not much misleading, but still gives you a real good idea what's happening throughout Southwest Florida. If you're not watching us on TV and you're listening to us on the radio, I hate to paint with a broad brush, but the fact is, no matter where you are right now in Southwest Florida, it is not safe to leave your home. We've recorded wind gusts well in excess.
We no longer have a pool cage. Just as I was on the phone with my buddy from work, it just blew over. There's nothing left. Holy shit. I think after this amount of time we'd be getting better. It's worse. It's just terrible. Look at that. It's a lake. It's one big lake.